बताने वाला भी नहीं है. Your topic is most awful dream. My most awful dream. Your time starts now.
Well, it's about my most awful dream. I think I'll have to count. I've had so many. In 21 years of my life, it will be a long way if I count all of them. There were many, I cannot single out one. But probably it was one when I was killed by myself. That is a suicide. I know it's difficult to imagine. Even I don't know what it happened and why it happened. I'm not any person who would suicide for a result or for a match or anything that I'm brilliant. But then dreams are not made by us. It's just what we see. Awful dreams, have I seen anyone? I'm an optimistic man. Why would see an awful dream? It's all positive, isn't it? It's had to be positive. Awful dream is one of my worst thing that I've ever seen. It wrecked me. I couldn't appear for 1 week in the school and I couldn't see my face in the mirror. It was just so horrible. Come on, I'm talking about optimism, isn't I? How can it be awful dreams? Man, I just believe in never give up. Whenever there's something, you will achieve it, just have it. Man, awful dream can really back you off. Things can be there which cannot be achieved. An awful dream is one of them. It just wrecks you. You just cannot have an idea that what you are doing and what you're doing next. You can sleep for how many nights you want. It's not about an awful dream. You can see what you want. You sleep, your dream, you are the king. You can be the next Alexander, you can be the next Satya Nadella, you can be Rafael Nadal, because it's a dream, man. Why awful? It's the best thing that can happen to you. Rather, the worst thing it can happen to you. It's an awful dream. Why it can be like that? You can kill yourself, you can kill anyone. It is very awful. It is not awful at all. You're playing, you're the king of the world. Everyone knows you. You can be as famous as you want, isn't it? The press, the GQ magazine. The press, the GK magazine, forget it. Your mother might not realize it. Oh, your mother will obviously realize it. You're a son. How can it not be that way? It's your dream. Come on, people, you have to see it. And your mother, forget, you cannot even see your face. It is that awful. Trust me, I have seen many. 21 years of my life, I just cannot count. Well, I can count. Why not? I'm the one. It is not awful. It is my dream. Even if it's awful, I will change it. It's my challenge. It's my dream. I will be optimistic. Why cannot it be done? It can obviously be done. It cannot be done. I'm very serious. It cannot be done. It is that way. Seriously, people, just trust me. You just hope you won't see the awful dream. It's just up to you. You won't see the. Oh, of course. Oh no, it's not about optimistic. It is being very practical. If you come across awful dream, just wake up at the moment of that sleep. Just trust me. You won't ever go back to sleep if you see that complete dream. It is that awful. It can be that awful. I just hope you don't. It is not awful. You are the king, as I said. You can make your own dreams. Why just dream? Be optimistic. If you are the king, if you are the queen, there is no awful dream.
Time over.